If you are interested to study in the United Kingdom on a fully funded scholarship, I have you covered in this video because this particular scholarship covers everything, which covers the payment of tuition fees, economic travel to and from your country of residence. It covers an arrival allowance, the cost of an entry visa application for you, a departure allowance, a contribution of up to £75 for TB testing, a travel top-up allowance, and a monthly personal living expenses to cover your accommodation and living expenses. And the stipend will depend on whether you are studying inside or outside London. And the application is of course free of charge. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through everything that you need to know regarding this particular scholarship. The eligibility criteria, the work experience that you need to meet, the guidance on how to make this application, also the courses that are eligible for this particular scholarship and the universities, and also the application time.
Hi, my name is Sylvia, and subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell, also like and share this video with your family and friends.
I introduce to you the Chevening Scholarship 2024-2025. This particular Chevening Scholarship is to enable you pursue a one-year master's degree in the United Kingdom. So if you have ambition, leadership quality, and a passion for influencing positive change in your home countries, then I invite you to make this application. This particular scholarship has no upper age limit or sexual orientation, religion, marriage, or parenthood, so everyone is open to make this application as long as you meet the eligibility criteria. Before we go through the eligibility criteria and other things, I'd like to take us through 5 steps on how to prepare for this particular application. And the first step is to make sure you meet each of the eligibility criteria. It is important that you meet the eligibility criteria for this particular scholarship for you to qualify, because it says that over 70% of applicants are always ineligible for this particular Chevening scholarship. We are going to come to that in a bit to see the full list of this eligibility criteria. And the second point is that you should build your leadership portfolio. This is important because during the written application and interview stage, you will be asked to demonstrate how you have shown potentials to be a leader in your life and career to date. It is important that you describe in details with 1 or 2 examples, but ensure that you are concise in your explanation, because most times less is more. The third important point is to think about where you want to be in 2 to 5 or 10 years time. It is not about putting the most beautiful words together, but rather it is about you communicating what is really important and how you want to achieve this in your life. And the next point, which cannot be overemphasized, is to start researching which UK university course you want to apply for. There are lots of courses and universities that are eligible for this scholarship, so we're going to see that much later. Another important point you need to bear in mind is that you need to develop a clear sense of how a Chevening scholarship could help you achieve your goals. And the questions begging for answers in this particular point are: why are you applying to Chevening? What could you achieve by joining their global community? And why you want to study in your chosen university and the course. So I think going through this whole point and putting them together would enable you write a very good application for this particular Chevening scholarship. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and share it with your family and friends. Also, subscribe to the channel to be part of this community. So for you to be eligible for this scholarship, you need to be a citizen of one of the member countries, and you must return to your home country after the award has ended, and you also have completed your undergraduate program and have at least 2 years of work experience, and you apply to 3 different eligible UK university courses and have received an unconditional offer. In order for you to check if your country is eligible for this particular scholarship, all you have to do is to come to this place and search by your country. Basically, there are lots of countries listed here, but importantly, type in your country and see if your country is on the list. So that means you are eligible. So for this video, I'm going to select India. Let's see the eligibility criteria for Indians. And for the award type, I'm going to be selecting scholarship, and afterwards you hit on search. This automatically brings you to the requirements for Chevening in India. It says study in the UK on a fully funded scholarship closed for application. So currently the application is closed, but I'm making this video because I need you to get prepared for this particular application, especially going through the 5 steps earlier mentioned. It will enable you to prepare for this particular application. So the one for 2024-2025 will open in August 2023. So next month, August 2023, comes the application window. So please stay tuned because I would be doing another video if need be, or I'll be posting it on my community tab to inform us of this particular opening. Here you can do well to read this, what it entails, but importantly it says required documents. All applicants must submit their education documents, references, and one unconditional UK university offer. Deadline for these required documents are in the application timeline. So we're going to check that in a bit to see the timeline for this application. When you scroll down, you can see what is included on the fully funded scholarship. You'll be receiving the university tuition fees, a monthly stipend, travel costs to and from the UK, an arrival allowance, a homeward departure allowance, the cost of one visa application, a travel grant to attend Chevening events in the UK. So this is all what is included in this scholarship. To see how to apply, so let's click on the courses to see the courses that are eligible for this scholarship. For the courses, it says that you have to select 3 different master courses, and this can be 3 different courses at the same institution or 3 similar courses at 3 different universities. You will need to apply separately to your selected courses directly via the university. Apply as soon as possible to ensure you get a place, because you need to submit an unconditional offer from this university by the end of the timeline according to their application timeline. And for your course to be eligible, it must be a full-time course which will be starting in autumn term, usually September, October, and it must be a taught master's and not a research-focused master's. It must lead to a master's degree qualification based in the UK. So note that the courses cannot be part-time, cannot be distant learning, cannot be less than 9 months in duration, cannot be more than 12 months in duration, cannot be a PhD or deep field, cannot be taught more than 1 month of study outside the UK. And for you to find the eligible courses, all you have to do is to click on this link, and right here you can either search by your course of interest or you can search by the UK location. So these are the list of universities that partner in line with this scholarship. So do well to go through it, search for the university of your interest and search in these universities. And for example, I typed in the location London and it gave me already the list of all the Chevening partner universities and the list of the courses that you could apply to in these universities. Then you could click on the institution website to go and learn more about these courses and the application timeline. If you're interested in any of the courses that the university is offering, you can scroll down. There is a whole lot, and they already listed the programs that they're offering. So this is already very easy that you can just click on the institution website to learn more, and also the application requirements there. And the next important thing you need to note is about the work experience. So let's click on this to have a look. These are the type of work experience that are eligible in this scholarship. It's either a full-time employment, part-time employment, or even voluntary work, and also paid and unpaid internships. So no matter the kind of experience you have, they acknowledge it. But the important thing that you need to note is that it has to be a total of 2,800 hours. Let's have a look at the application timeline. So this particular application is going to open up again in August 2023, and it will run until November. So by next month, August, the official one for this particular application, 2024-2025, will be out. The last important thing I'd like to encourage you in this particular video to do is to explore the frequently asked questions. I cannot overemphasize it. It is very important when you are making any application to go through the frequently asked questions. It has so many things to offer. You can search by any topic regarding application, regarding the English language test, regarding funding, immigration. Basically everything is here. So do well to go through it to see what is applicable here. This is pretty much it. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. Like and share this video for others to benefit from it. Drop your comments and concerns and I will respond to each of them. And with this, I want to say thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.